gonna go for a walk down the street. Let's see what it looks like on the street. I don't know if we can get to the street. Well, they shoveled their walkway already. Oh my gosh. Ooh, there goes the wind. I'm right here. Over here. To the other side. Over there you can just see shovels above the cars of people shoveling their cars out. There are trucks here, but I think it was a city truck that came down.